the top of the elevator room, had an Otis elevator. I just thought it was cool how old the technology was in this system. Everything just kind of looks like they're latch circuits or physical switches and capacitors, and nothing looks like it's got a whole lot of brains other than mechanical brains. And so it's basically two elevators in one building. There's these large, I think they're motor generators to make DC, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Here's the second one. This one was just recently replaced at this location. The old one had went bad. But look how massive these motors are. So there's two elevators, two different systems. And then what really impressed me was these latch circuits. Again, if you want to call them latch circuits. But as these elevators spin, there's a system that rolls up and down, and there's physical switches to tell it, I assume, when to stop and start and open the doors and so forth. But it's an Otis. Old one, probably 70-ish, I would imagine. Just a massive amount of physical switches. And this building only has 4 floors.